Hello again, and welcome to another exciting episode of Ask BA. In today's topic, we'll be looking at understanding the customer journey, and we'll be looking at how we can map the customer experience for business success. Now, what is the customer journey? The customer journey is the complete experience a customer has with a business, from the first interaction to the final outcome. It includes all the touch points and channels a customer uses. It also helps businesses understand customer motivations, their pain points, and their behaviors. In other words, it's the entire journey from when someone decides to buy a product, walks into a supermarket, or visits a website, up to the point when they actually make a purchase, and beyond that as well. Now, what are the key stages of a customer journey? Now, the first key stage is awareness. Now, in awareness, we're talking about how does the customer first learn about the product or service? And then we look at the second stage, which is consideration. What factors influence the customer's decision making? And then we have the third stage, which is the purchase or the decision, which is how does the customer complete a transaction? And then we have another stage called retention, which is what keeps the customer coming back, what makes them a repeat customer. And then we've got the final stage, advocacy. How does the customer share positive experiences with others? Now, why do we need to map the customer journey? Now, now the customer journey helps identify gaps and opportunities in the customer experience. It also helps businesses to prioritize improvements that would align with customer expectations. It also aligns organizational goals with real world customer behavior. And then it drives customer satisfaction and loyalty. So, how do we go about creating a customer journey map? Now, one of the first things you want to do is you want to define what we call customer personas. In other words, different type of customers that may use a product. And then we identify the key touch points. By that we mean what are the areas of interaction that the customer will have with the business? Is it via a website? Is it via a newsletter? Is it on radio? And then we outline the customer actions, their thoughts, their emotions at each stage. And then also we can highlight the pain points and opportunities once we've mapped this. And then we use visuals to tell the story. As an activity, why don't you consider a scenario where you try and create a journey map for an online retailer? You yourself must have bought something online before, so you can use yourself as that online retailer. How would you do this? You break down the customer actions from discovering the brand to leaving a review, and then try and identify three pain points and also suggest solutions. You can use the customer journey template, which I would feature in our next video. You can use that as a starting point. Now remember, the customer journey is not always linear. It evolves over time. And mapping the journey helps businesses remain customer centric and learn to always update the journey map as customer behaviors and expectations change. In our next video, we would introduce you to a lady called Mia, and we'll try to give you a practical example of a customer journey. Remember, we engage in customer journeys every day, from when you walk into the shop, when you think about a product, how you hear about a product, and your thoughts afterwards after you've bought this product. Thank you very much for listening, and watch out for our next video, which will give you practical insights of